Getting older doesn't mean slowing down or giving up on the body you want. In fact, after 50, your health, strength, and energy matter more than ever. The problem is, most people think they need a fancy gym membership, heavy equipment, or hours of training just to stay fit. The truth? You don't need any of that. What you really need are simple, powerful moves that use your own body weight. Exercises designed to protect your joints, build lean muscle, and keep you feeling young, strong, and confident. In this video, I'll show you 5 easy-to-follow moves that require no gym and no equipment, yet can completely transform your body after 50. Whether you're looking to tighten your core, strengthen your legs, or boost your energy, these exercises are safe, effective, and proven to deliver results. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to take control of your fitness, starting today. Let's start with the foundation of almost every great workout: the bodyweight squat. This move is powerful because it trains multiple muscle groups at once: your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. For people over 50, squats aren't just about building stronger legs. They're about keeping your independence, improving balance, and making everyday movements like climbing stairs or standing up from a chair feel effortless. The beauty of squats is that you don't need any equipment. Just stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, push your hips back like you're sitting into a chair, and lower yourself down slowly. Keep your chest tall, your core tight, and drive back up through your heels. Start small, maybe 8 to 10 reps, and gradually build as your strength improves. Squats also protect your joints by keeping them mobile and strong. Done consistently, this simple move helps boost circulation, burn calories, and keep your body feeling youthful. It's one of the most effective age-proof exercises you can do at home. Push-ups are one of the most underrated yet powerful exercises you can do, especially after 50. They target your chest, shoulders, arms, and even your core, making them one of the best total upper body builders without the need for any equipment. But beyond muscle, push-ups also help with posture, balance, and functional strength, which means they directly improve the way you move and feel in daily life. Here's the key: you don't have to start with the perfect floor push-up. If that feels too challenging, begin with wall push-ups or incline push-ups using a sturdy table or countertop. These variations take the pressure off your joints while still activating the right muscles. Over time, as your strength builds, you can gradually work your way down to the floor. To perform a push-up, place your hands just outside shoulder width, keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, and slowly lower your chest toward the ground while keeping your core tight. Then press back up with control. Aim for slow, steady reps rather than rushing through them. Push-ups are more than just a workout move, they're a confidence booster. Every rep you complete proves that age doesn't define your strength. Mastering this exercise will keep your upper body strong, toned, and ready for anything life throws your way. Plank holds may look simple, but they are one of the most effective core-strengthening moves you can do. Unlike crunches, which can strain the neck and lower back, planks build stability by engaging your entire core, your abs, obliques, lower back, and even your shoulders. For people over 50, a strong core is essential because it improves posture, protects the spine, and reduces the risk of falls or injuries. To perform a plank, place your forearms on the floor, elbows under your shoulders, and extend your legs behind you so your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Keep your core tight, avoid letting your hips sag, and hold the position for as long as you can with good form. Even just 20 to 30 seconds daily can make a huge difference, giving you better balance, stability, and overall strength. The bird dog is one of the best exercises for balance, coordination, and core stability, perfect for anyone over 50. To perform it, start on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Slowly extend your right arm forward while kicking your left leg straight back, keeping your body steady and your core engaged. Hold for a moment. Then return to the starting position and switch sides. This move strengthens your lower back, glutes, and abs while improving posture. It's gentle, low impact, and highly effective for protecting your spine and maintaining functional strength. Glute bridges are a simple yet powerful move that directly targets your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. For anyone over 50, this exercise is especially important because it strengthens the muscles that support your hips and spine, which are key for walking, climbing stairs, and preventing lower back pain. To perform the glute bridge, lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Keep your arms by your sides for support. From here, press your heels into the ground, squeeze your glutes, and lift your hips toward the ceiling until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold the top for a second or two. Then slowly lower back down with control. This move not only builds strength but also improves hip mobility and posture. Done consistently, glute bridges can ease stiffness, protect your lower back, and even enhance core stability. Start with 10 to 12 reps, focusing on controlled movement and proper form, and increase as you feel stronger. It's a safe, low-impact exercise that brings huge benefits, making it one of the best bodyweight moves for staying strong, mobile, and pain-free after 50. Now that you know the 5 moves, the key is how you put them into practice. Consistency is everything. Aim to perform these exercises at least 3 to 4 times a week, and remember, quality is more important than quantity. Focus on controlled movements, proper form, and steady breathing. This will not only protect your joints, but also maximize your results. Always listen to your body. If a move feels too difficult, modify it, like starting push-ups against the wall or reducing the time you hold a plank. Gradually increase your repetitions or duration as your strength and endurance improve. Small progress each week leads to lasting transformation. Don't forget to warm up with gentle stretches or light marching in place before starting, and cool down afterward to help your muscles recover. Staying hydrated and maintaining a balanced diet rich in protein will also boost your strength and energy. Most importantly, stay patient. Fitness after 50 isn't about quick fixes. It's about building habits that keep you strong, mobile, and confident for years to come. Stick with these 5 moves, and you'll not only feel the difference, you'll see it too.